So here we are with the Ovid system, and I'm experimenting with various types of magnets because I didn't like the double-sided tape that came with the supports. So I've installed some magnets and I will show you how I did it in a minute. So these are the two ideas I came out. The first one is, in fact, there are two magnets. The one is fixed into the support, and the other one is a stronger magnet that goes into the piano. So the first one is just a magnet sheet, very light, that you can glue to the support. You cannot glue the strong magnet into the support because it won't hold. At least in my tests, it won't hold. The first one is a more robust system. Is in fact a magnet screw that you can adapt. You can also add a larger one, but I feel that it's not necessary. It works just great with this small one. So let's install the two supports and see how they look like. You can put anywhere you want, really. Now let's place the supports with the microphones. The first one here and the second one here. Yeah. And this is a much robust idea, I think. It won't fall. But this one, it was not a great idea. I won't recommend this system with two magnets. One magnet, it's perfect. If you don't want to close the lid, you can place them maybe here and maybe this way. I don't know. We are going to experiment a little bit, and we are going to record in the next video. We are going to perform some recordings and hear how they sound like. Yeah. Now here are the Ovids installed. They look great, especially this one, which you can take and put anywhere you want. It won't fall. It won't fall. Very nice. So in a future video, we are going to test these ones and see how they sound like. See you.